As you're working on your button design, most of your attention, of course, will be on the front of the button, the portion of the button that will be most readily visible. That's why, for example, you want to make sure that the key elements of your button fall within the dashed red line so that those elements will be included and entirely visible on the front of your button. But there is also a small amount of your button design that will be visible on the back of the button. And you can add a colored accent ring or a tagline of text to that back area of the button. Let's take a look at those options by first choosing Lines from the toolbar over on the left side of Build a Button. And first you'll see that we have the Image Area line. That's that red dashed circle that indicates the outer edge of the front of our button design. You can click to turn that option off if you'd like, so that, for example, you can get a better sense of the overall appearance of your button. Generally speaking, though, I recommend leaving that image area option turned on so that you'll be sure that all key elements will fit within that image area for your button. Next, we can take a look at the accent ring option. We can simply turn that option on and then choose a color. So I'll go ahead and click the color swatch for single color, and then I can select a particular color that I would like to use. In this case, I'll use the eyedropper and then select a color from within the actual image. So I'll click on a color within my button design and then click the Apply button. And now you can see that I have that colored accent ring that will appear at least a little bit on the back of my button. I can adjust the size setting in order to have more or less of that visible color for the accent ring. And to add text to the back of the button, we can choose the Taglines option. We can enter the text that we would like to appear, so I'll just type American Button Machines in this case, for example, and you can already see that that text appears within the tagline area on the back of the button, and of course it is reversed. You can of course adjust the various attributes for that text, although you'll want to make sure that you keep the text within the boundaries of that tagline, those two blue concentric circles that you see here. And note, by the way, if we return to the Lines option, I can go back to that accent ring and adjust the overall size so that, for example, that color appears below the text. So the text appears on that solid color rather than on the outer edge of my button design. So again, while most of your attention will understandably be focused on the front of your button design, you may also want to consider taglines and accent rings for the back side of your button design.